Good morning, everyone. As you can see, sun is way up. It's 11 a.m. and yes, we're going fishing. Normally we go in the morning, but we heard that afternoon bite is great and we're going after Cuberas and Colorado snapper. Like all the time, we want to get them on artificials, but we'll bring some sardines also, and we'll run 20 miles out to a nice structure we like fishing. So hope you guys enjoy it. Let's make it happen. On the water, and we're starting by getting some bait, of course, sardines, all kind of stuff with the sabikis. We have a couple baits in the live well and we'll get a lot more. As soon as we got to the structure, we saw the snappers right on the surface. Gabriel threw a live bait at them, and a Jack Crevalle came and stole the live bait. So in the back I went and threw a no-bee lure, and I did get a great fish.
Snapper! Neutral! Woo! Snapper on the no-bee lure. Yeah, baby. That's what it's all about. Woo! Look at that fish. Strong and big snappers on lures. That's what we came out here for. Yes, woo, it's wavy. No-bee diver. Look what I just got.
We tried the same technique once again, casting lures to these snappers, but they were very spooky, so we decided to leave them alone for a minute and go for a little troll.
Probably jacks, but we were not targeting them at all. Trolling stuff they're not supposed to eat, but too many of these. Yep, Jack Crevalle. Look at that.
We stopped trolling as soon as we got some Jack Crevalles, and we got to the next structure and started casting once again.
Woo! Casting stick bait. Es un Cubera, güey. No. Holy Cubera snapper on the stick bait. El morro right there. That's how you do it, baby. Stick bait. Second snapper today. Oh God. Just got that Cubera out with a stick bait, and now Olga's hooked up, casting right near that structure and getting lucky today. Yoo-hoo! Olga with a snapper! Yes! Woo!
No vamos, güey. Ahí cerquita van a estar, ¿eh?
Yes! Woo! We got them. stick bait action. Olga got her snapper all by herself. Sometimes plans come to reality. Ooh, baby, big snappers.
I was very happy with the 2 snappers I got on board. Now it was time to find some fish with the drone.
More big ice trevallies. Woo! Sunset, fish one after another. What more do you want?
The rest of the day was all about big ice trevallies. We kept casting artificials, got a bunch of these, and it was time to head back home. Alrighty, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video just as much as we did filming it. Very nice opportunity to get Cubera snappers on stick baits. Very exciting. We enjoyed it 100%. If you ever want to come fish with us here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, link will be in the description. Just click it, send us a message. It'll be a pleasure for us to answer you. You can fish with us for a day, or you can stay an entire week, because we organize all-inclusive fishing if you ever want to. Also, we'll have some hats and we'll have some shirts for sale in a couple days. So I'll let you guys know how to get them online. And I'll see you guys on the next fishing day.
Hi, my friend.